Uber drivers, food delivery people, carers, people using car day to day base traveling, you don't know how much money you can make it extra. Today I spent £200 for this jump starter and another tenner for this diesel fuel can and another tenner, but this one I already had this can. If you spend £220, how much you can earn within 5 minutes? Have a look, I'll explain you. Basically, you have a car already because you are doing deliveries, could be food delivery, could be passenger delivery, could be door to door using for the caring, and you already has a smart phone. Third, if you have a confidence about yourself, you have to spend for the jump pack. This is the good jump pack. I'll spend £200 for this one, but however you don't want to spend 200, you can buy like a £50 or something like a cheaper jump pack. Then when you develop, you can go for a upgrade one, and you need a two cans, one for the diesel, one for the petrol. 220, but depend on your budget. Right now you might be thought, oh, what's I'm going to do with this thing? You don't know, you are not believe how many drivers run out the fuel middle of the road, right? Then if it run out fuel, you can do fuel delivery, and same time many drivers jump to the car, try to go somewhere, oh, my car not start, go to the pub, came out from the pub, start the car, try to go home, oh, my car couldn't start. You know why? They left might be light on, could be. Then if you have a jump pack, you know how much for the value. Easily when you do the fuel delivery, you can earn 80 to 150, depend on the timing, depend on the situation, depend on the condition. You are the boss, you can decide how much you are going to charge for this service, totally up to you. Even the jump pack, I know many people these days charge minimum £50 for the jump start. So keep it the jump start, do the couple of job per week, you can earn additional £100 easily without any hesitate. Oh, you have a question now, aren't you? Right, I'll let you know. Basically, if you have this all things, how people know about you? Like me, you can start Facebook. Sorry, my handwriting not nice like you, but you can start the Facebook. Also, you can start my business, Google my business. Basically, when you log into the Google, type there Google my business, and you can do the profile, and also you know how to do the Facebook page. However, people lost in the road, they log into the Google, type local fuel delivery or local jump start, whatever they type, your profile, bring it to the page, and they call to your phone. Hello, can I get the jump start? Now you know how it's work. However, if you want to set up your Google business, if you want to set up your Facebook page, please don't hesitate to contact me. I can help you. And the same time, I will add the our group link, WhatsApp group link. Basically, you can register there. If someone locally need that business, they will contact you, or they will put the post there. Then you can see the post and you can contact customer direct. Everything free. This is just introducing for everyone. I'm also starting today, and same thing you can do too. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please comment below. I'll come back to you sooner. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow all videos. Everything I'm talking here, set up your mind, because many people doesn't have a confidence themselves. That's why the whole problem. Also, if you want to see how am I start the business with 200 pound, have a look this link. You will find out what I done that 200 pound. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.